Hey everyone, welcome back in. This is Simple How To's by J&A, and today we're going to be going over how to clean and maintain a Roomba vacuum or any kind of smart vacuum so that it's always cleaning to the best of its ability and you're always getting the most out of it. So let's get started. If you have a home base for your Roomba, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your vacuum area and you want to feel in your vacuum bag to see how full it is. This one's still got some room in it, so I'm not going to replace it. But if you do need to replace it, what you do is you just pull this tab so that it closes up so the dirt doesn't get out, and then you get a new one and you slide it back in and push it down and then close it up and you're good to go. Now let's look at the vacuum next. All right, and moving on to the Roomba itself. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to unscrew this little spin thing here. And so I've just got a small Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm going to unscrew it. A lot of times hair can get built up under here, and this is how you replace it too. If you get the pieces from Roomba or from Amazon, and there is some hair underneath here. So I'm going to pull that out, put it over my trash here, and then I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put this right back on. I'm not ready to replace that yet. I'm going to tighten it up so it's good to go. Next, we want to pull this switch right here and open that up so that we can get access to these. We're going to pull these out, and these have some hair in them as well. So I'm going to pull that hair out. These Roombas are really good and really good tools to have. They help keep your house really clean, but they can get dirty very easily. So you got to make sure you keep them clean so that they're always working the way they should be. And then now that we got that, we're going to put it right back in. And so they actually have little icons on the back. So the dark green one goes in the front, and it tells you, which way to go. So this end goes, towards this side of the Roomba. I'm going to put that in. Spin it till it gets in. Sit in. And then this one, it shows that it's a square, and it's got a square. So this one goes this way. Spin it till it fits in, and now we're in. And now we can push this down, and this is back in locked. And then another thing I like to check is I like to check this wheel too up here, this spinner wheel. So sometimes this can get hair underneath it. So I'm just going to put my screwdriver in there and pry it up and pull it out. And this has a little bit of hair in it as well. Anything that spins is going to get hair in it eventually. All right, I'm going to put that back in. All right, and then the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the back here. So there's a little button back here. I'm going to pop that open to get access to my dirt disposal. So this is where all your dirt's going to be. This is where you're going to be to empty it. I like to check this just to ensure that there's nothing in here, nothing stuck in here that I need to throw away. There's some dust, but that looks like it. No objects or anything in there. And then I'm going to check the filter. And that is kind of dirty, so I might go get a new one of those. So let me go grab one. All right, and I went and got a new filter, and I'm just going to slide it in. Just like that. The water shows that there's a little water sign, not to do water, and that's how you know where it slides in. And then you just slide it in, and you hook it back in spot. There's a little hook right here, so it matches up with that. Put it in there, and then you push it, and hear it click. And that's about all the maintenance that I do to make sure. If you notice anything else, you could go do a little bit more, but that's about the extent of the maintenance that I do. So I would recommend doing that every now and then just to make sure your Roomba is always, doing what it's supposed to be doing. But other than that, I think that's all I got. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos. Have a great day.